You're scared to admit this, right? You're scared to admit that you can actually change your life, but you're choosing not to. A lot of you guys want to make money. A lot of you guys want to start an online business, right? But instead, you're working a 9 to 5 job. You're not making enough money, right? Bills are getting harder and harder every single year, and nothing's changing. In fact, things are getting worse, right? For a lot of you guys, you've barely got enough money to pay the bills. Every single day feels the same, right? You go to work, you say hi to your boss, you do some work, you go home. You do this every single day, and you're scared to admit that you're not doing enough, right? Because you know, instead of watching Netflix after work, if you just start an online business, you can actually make money. You know, if you stop playing video games and just focus on taking action and building something, you can change your life. You know that if you spend that money on a mentor, you can actually change your life. Guys, I know that you're sitting there right now watching this video, understanding that you're scared to admit all the things that I've just mentioned. And in this video, what I want to talk about is how you guys can literally change the situation you're in, all by just taking action, right? And if you're new watching this, you don't know who I am, my name is Alim, right? And I used to work a 9 to 5 job myself. I used to work several 9 to 5 jobs. I used to work in Argos, World Duty Free, Sky. You know, I used to be in the UK. I was there for 27 years. I hated my life. I hated my situation. So I took the biggest risk of my life. I quit my job, packed my bags, and I moved to Dubai, right? This is where I currently reside. And my life has completely changed. I now run a 6-figure online coaching business that's completely changed my life, made me lots of money, and allowed me to live in the greatest city in the world. But most importantly, it's given me freedom, right? Now, a lot of you guys, you might be in your situation right now making excuses, saying to yourself that, you know, you're probably not as special as other people, or, you know, other people have had it easier, or maybe other people are doing something wrong, right? And you might just be doing the right thing. Trust me, you're scared to admit it, but the truth of the matter is, you know deep down inside you're not working hard enough. You know deep down inside you're not trying anything. You know deep down inside that you're not willing to invest in yourself, right? So how can you potentially change your life? How can you actually be in a position where you can make money, where you can have freedom, right, and live your life comfortably? How can you do that when you're sat there making excuses about your life, thinking that you can't do it? Guys, I was in the same boat as most of you guys are now. I used to work a 9 to 5 job. I know how hard it is. I remember waking up early, you know, 7 a.m. when the alarm used to go off, go into work and work 12 hours, come home at like 7 p.m., 8 p.m., you know, have my dinner and then go to sleep again so I could wake up early for the next day. And I lived my life like this for a very, very long time. And trust me, I hated it. I hated every single moment of it. But then what I did was decide to take action, right? Which a lot of you guys don't. And obviously now I run a 6-figure online coaching business. And by the way, if you are interested in building an online business called the One Skill Consulting business model, where I'll work with you on a one-to-one basis and scale you to 10K a month, click the link in the description, book in a call with me. And what we'll do is jump on a call and I'll show you exactly how I can actually help you, okay? But guys, I want you to understand one thing. You are scared to admit that you are not doing enough, right? Like, you probably go to work, you probably work hard in your job, you probably work 40 hours a week, but that's not working hard enough. And you deep down know that this is true. You're not working hard enough. You feel like you're working hard enough, but you know this is not how life should be. You know that there's more to life than this. You know that, you know, you can actually make millions if you decide to. You can actually change your life if you decide to. But because you're not taking the action, because you're lazy, because you're procrastinating, you're scared to admit it, but it's true. This is the reality of your life, right? And nothing's going to change until you change. There's a famous saying, nothing changes if nothing changes. Now that might sound very simple, but it's the truth. Nothing changes if you don't change. Like, nothing's going to change. You have to be intentional with your action. You have to be intentional with what you do, right? If you want to make money, be intentional about it. Be intentional. Put in your mind that, okay, cool, I want to make money. I want to be free. You know, I'm going to start this online business. I'm going to hire a mentor. I'm going to do everything required to get there. And I guarantee if you guys actually intentionally decide that you want to change your life, you will. Like, I'm telling you from experience, you will, because I used to do that myself. I used to sit in my 9 to 5 job, right? Working hard. It was like maybe 9 a.m., 10 a.m., right? And I was on my phone and I was really, really tired. And I was watching these YouTube videos, right? And I saw people living in Dubai, traveling, you know, making money online and just, you know, having freedom. And I'm sat at work, right, in front of my desk, doing my job, right? And I'm thinking to myself, I'm here getting paid 2 grand a month, right, to work for someone else, hating every second of it, here for 40 hours a week, while some other guy is living in my dream city, making money online and has freedom. What is he doing? What does he know that I don't know, right? And that kind of planted a seed in my brain, because a lot of you guys will watch this and be skeptical. You'll look at these people and think, oh, maybe they're doing something wrong. Oh, maybe they're, lying. Or maybe, they're intelligent or they're special. It's too good to be true. Whatever goes through your mind, right, is not the case. Because when I moved here to Dubai, and I networked with a lot of people, I networked with a lot of, entrepreneurs, people that are making some really good money. And all of these guys were making really, really good money. And I'm thinking to myself, no, this is true. People are doing it. So I need to be one of those people. I need to invest in myself. And that was one of the biggest decisions I made, by the way. I hired a mentor. I learned everything from him, and it completely changed my life to the point where if I didn't hire him, I wouldn't be where I am today, right? So once I did that, I learned how to start this business model. I learned how to position myself. I learned how to do marketing. I learned how to do sales. And what that did was bring me to this position in my life where I'm making well over 6 figures a year. Life is comfortable, right? I live in the greatest city in the world, which was my dream city, which is Dubai. And amazing, everything's good. Like everything changed from there. And I remember thinking to myself now, like I used to, live in the UK, working a 9 to 5 job that I hate. I used to live in a loft, right? And that was my life back then. And now obviously I've got my own apartment. I'm living in Dubai. I've got a swimming pool on my balcony. Like it's crazy, the levels that I've gone through, But this is my point. A lot of you guys can do the exact same thing. And you are scared to admit it, but you know what you need to do. You know that you need to start an online business. You know that you need to hire a mentor. You know that you need to come out of your comfort zone, right? You know all of this. So why are you deciding to put it off? Why are you deciding to delay it? Why are you deciding not to take action? Because guys, as I said earlier, if nothing changes, nothing changes. You can't just watch this video and go about your day because nothing's going to change. You need to say, okay, look, this is my situation. This is what I'm going to do, and this is what's going to change it. And I'm talking, don't go half-hearted at anything, right? If you want to seriously change your situation, you either all or nothing, right? Because that's what I did. I moved to Dubai. I basically put my all into it. I didn't have any money when I landed there. I hired a mentor, right? And then everything changed. My whole life completely changed. And that's what I'm trying to explain to you guys. Either be all or nothing. Either take full risk or don't take any at all, right? And you guys have to also understand that to be exceptional, you need to take exceptional decisions. You cannot live an exceptional life without taking exceptional decisions. So understand that. You can't just take small decisions and small little things and expect to, become big or make lots of money and completely change your life. No, you've got to go all in. And that's what I did. And all the money that I had, I invested it into a mentor. I worked hard and I completely changed my life. And I was where you guys were, where you wake up early to an alarm clock, go to work, see your boss. Maybe you hate him. I used to hate mine, right? And you go home and you're upset and you're like, oh, I've got to wake up early tomorrow. And, especially Sunday evenings, I remember how bad they were because you've got work the next day, right? So you go to sleep early on a Sunday evening, wake up early for Monday, and then your whole cycle starts again. Then you get excited for Christmas. Then you get excited for, Easter and all that kind of stuff because you get some days off. Guys, what kind of life is that? What kind of life is that? Because my life now is whatever I want it to be. I can wake up at whatever time I want. I don't even put an alarm anymore, right? I literally wake up whatever time I want. I live life on my own terms. And this is the best feeling ever. I can work wherever I want. Today I'm in Dubai. If I want to travel tomorrow to the UK, I could do so because no one's going to tell me no. I work for myself. I run my own business. And because it's an online business, well, I just need my laptop and I can make money, right? So I have freedom to do whatever it is that I want. I can go to the Dubai Mall and work there. I can go to the beach, work there. Do you know what I'm trying to say? Like, think about this logically, right? When you can work from anywhere you want, you can literally do whatever it is that you want, right? Because you have freedom. You can be where you want to be. And this is what I'm trying to explain to you guys. You can live that life. Going from, working a 9 to 5 job, living my life on someone else's terms and hating every minute of it, going to work in the cold, freezing mornings, landing in work, coming home with $2,000 at the end of the month, compared to now where I make thousands every single day and life is easy and I live in Dubai and I've got a swimming pool on my balcony and I can work wherever I want and I can travel wherever I want and I don't have a boss. Do you know what I'm trying to say? And I don't pay tax either, right? So life is completely different and you guys can do the same thing, but you're scared to admit it. You're scared to admit that you are not making the right decisions. You're scared to admit that you are not taking decisions that you should be taking. And you're scared to admit that you are not investing in yourself. And if you guys just sit there and say, you know what? This is true. I am scared to invest in myself. I am scared to do this. I am scared to do it. If you just be truthful with yourself and say, you know what? I am like this, but I'm going to make the decision anyway. Watch how your whole life changes. And I promise you that because that's what I did. I was literally sat at work and I said, I've had enough of this. I'm scared, but I'm going to take the big decision. I'm going to quit my job. I'm going to move to Dubai and I'm going to make my life here. It was one of the most scariest decisions of my life. But I knew it was all going to pay off. Why? Because I took the riskier option and I did things that no one else would do. So my point is, guys, if you want an exceptional life, if you want to have different life, if you want to change your life, you want to be in a position where you can maybe live in Dubai or wherever it is that you want to live, but you can make money online, 10K a month, and live wherever it is that you want, you have to make those exceptional decisions. So if you guys are looking to start the One Skill Consulting business model, by the way, where I will work with you on a one-to-one basis and scale you to 10K a month, click the link in the description, book in a call with me, and what we'll do is jump on the call and I'll show you exactly how I can help you. And if you guys are wondering what is the One Skill Consulting business model, it's essentially where you sell your skills and knowledge to high ticket clients. And literally anyone can do this, by the way, right? Doesn't matter what age you are, doesn't matter where you're from, anyone can do this. You literally sell your skills and knowledge to high ticket clients, right? So your pricing would be anywhere between $2, $3, $4, or $5,000. If you charge $5,000 for a skill or some knowledge that you're going to sell, you just need 2 clients a month to make 10K a month. It's literally as simple as that. And if you want more detailed information on how this business model works, click the video that you see on your screen and I'll see you guys there.